Today we're working on a Chevy Cruze. This happens to be a 2012 model. And what we're doing today is we are removing the driver's airbag. First thing we have to do is disconnect the negative battery cable from the battery. We want to wait at least 2 minutes before we work on the system. After that, we want to remove this top cover, column cover. Next, we want to move the steering wheel 180 degrees from its normal position, like this. We're using a small screwdriver. It's about 3 inches long or so. And we'll find 2 holes in the back of the steering wheel that we have to access the spring that holds this airbag in. So we want to push our screwdriver towards the center. Here's the angle that the screwdriver has to go through on the holes on the back of the steering wheel. And there it is. Here is the angle of the screwdriver has to go through the holes on the back to access these springs right here that hold the airbag in. See that? See how it's moving the spring? Now to remove the connections on the back of the airbag, we'll lift up on this little lock right here. And then remove it like that. And they're all off. So that's all there is to removing an airbag from your Chevy Cruze.